Hello friends, now we make a program in Python to check the given number is even or odd. First of all, we cross the command program to check given. We have set a variable num, your number, int that belongs to integer, input now is enter the number. Now we get a if command if number is divisible by 2, then print number is a even number, else print number is a odd number. Now we run this command, enter number. First we write number 1 is an odd number, we write number 0 is an even number, we write number 2 the even number, 3 odd number. So thus our program is successfully run. Thanks for watching. Okay, and like it and share to their friends and colleagues. Thank you.